Okay, everyone, here we go. Make sure you have your paper and pencil out ready for notes. So this is called the segment addition postulate, numeric descriptive, right? So we're going to see what that means in a second, all right? So we have point number 1 here, right? Collinear, so let's read along. Collinear means that points are on the same line. So points that are on the same line. So collinear means points that are on the same line. All right. Point number 2. Point on line segment is between the endpoints. So when somebody says in the problem, the point is on the line segment, it means it's somewhere in the middle. It doesn't have to necessarily be in the middle, but it's somewhere between the two endpoints. But I'm going to show you how that works. All right. So let's see the first example here. So it says points A, B, and C are collinear. That means that they're on the same line. Point B is on line segment AC. So we start with line segment AC. So we have A, and we go all the way to C, right? So it says B is on, actually, let me highlight it. B is on line segment AC. That means that somewhere here in between A and C, there is B. So I'm going to put it right there. All right. So now, let's see the information that they give us. So first it says find AC. Find AC. We have no idea how much AC is. So we're going to say from A to C, we have no idea what that is, right? Next we have AB is equal to 33. So from A to B is equal to 33. So from A to B is equal to 33. Finally, it says B to C is equal to 70. So B to C is equal to 70. So we're going to find what's missing. So what's missing is A to C. So we know how to set this up, right? So let's set it up. So let's say, so first short segment is AB. The second short segment is BC. And the long segment from one point all the way to the other is AC. So AB I know is 33 plus BC I know is 70, and AC I don't know what AC is. Look at that. So I'm going to leave it as AC. So I do my line of separation. My AC comes down, and look at this. There's no need to move anything over because these two are on the same side. So 33 plus 70 is 103. So AC is equal to 103. We found AC. Find AC, right? So all we have to do is just follow the instructions, follow the description. of the line that they're talking about, right? The segment that they're talking about. Okay. So let's go to the second example here. So this second example says point RST, right? So point RST, point R, point S, and point T are collinear. Collinear means they're on the same line, right? Next it says point S is on line segment RT. So that means that RT is our line segment. Let me pick another color here, that one. So R to T, so this is R, and that goes to T. That is segment RT. It says point S is on line segment RT. So that means that somewhere here, we could write it over here, is S. So let's find out what we have. So let's see. So first it says find RS. Find RS. So RS is what's missing. So where is RS? From R to S, this is what's missing here. So this is where I'm going to put question mark. Actually, let me change that color. Right? Change the color. This is where the question mark is. Next, it says RT is equal to 72. So from R to T, from R to T is equal to 72. Okay. Then it says from S to T is 78. So from S to T, 172. And from S to T is 78, just like that. So now that we have all the information, we can set up our equation, right? So short segment RS plus the other short segment ST is equal to the long segment RT, right? Short segment RS plus short segment ST is equal to long segment RT. So let's substitute. RS is, we don't know what RS is. RS is RS plus ST is 78 is equal to RT is 172. So let's draw our line of separation. I am solving for RS. That means I got to move 78 over as minus 78. So 172 minus 78 is 94. And that is my solution right there. We found RS. Find RS. We found RS. Right? So that is how we set up, right, our lines when they're described. So let's see a couple of examples that you're going to see in your assignment. So it says points, let's pick another color here. Points A, B, and C are collinear. Point B is on line segment AC. All right. So I say, let's pick this one. So AC is my line segment, A all the way to C. And it says B is on a line segment. So I'm going to put B over here. Right? It doesn't have to be in the middle. But there are 3 points. They're collinear. They're on the same line. So let's set up our segments. Short plus short equals long, right? AB plus BC is equal to AC, right? Short segment AB plus short segment AC is equal to long segment BC, right? And actually, let me cut this. Oops. Nope. Let me see. Nope. AC. Let me get this out of the way here because it's in the way. So let me move this down just like that. All right. So let's fill in the information now that they give us, right? So BC is 75. So from B to C is 75. From B to C is 75. Next, it says from A to B is 54. From A to B is 54. Find AC. So find A to C. We don't know what it is. So let's fill in our information. A to B is 54 plus B to C is 75. That means A to C, I don't know what it is. So I draw my line of separation. I bring down my AC, and this is perfect. Look at these. No need to move anything over because they're already on the same side. 75 plus 54 is 129. So AC is equal to 129. And that's what we found. Find AC. We found AC. Perfect. Finally, right, last problem. Let's set up this last problem here. So let's see, it says point X, Y, and Z are collinear. That means they're on the same line. Point Y is on line segment XZ. So, right, so we have line segment X all the way to Z. And it says Y is somewhere on that segment. So I'm going to put Y over here. Right? And they're collinear. Look at this. They're all on the same line. Try a little bit more. They're all on the same line. So, right? So let's draw our setup. So our first short segment is X, Y plus. Second short segment is Y, Z is equal to the long segment, which is X, Z. So let's fill in our information here. Find X, Y, Z. So from Y to Z, that's missing. So let's put in a question mark. Y to Z is missing. It says XY is equal to 35. X to Y is equal to 35. Okay. And it says X to Z is 116. So X all the way to Z is 116. So let's substitute now what we know. So XY we know is 35. YZ, we don't know. YZ is YZ. And XZ is 116. So we are going to draw our line of separation. We're going to solve for YZ. Well, I know I need to move 35 over. So I'm going to say cross out 35, and I'm going to minus 35. And 116 minus 35 is 81. So YZ is equal to 81. It said find YZ. I found YZ. So there you go. So make sure that you rewind or pause anything that you need to copy. For these are the two examples that you're going to see in your assignment. And these are our filled in notes for segment addition, numeric descriptive video lesson.